Why you nervous?
Why are you laughing? I think it's normal to say.
Yeah.
First, she is Muslim. Because I'm Muslim. And
We have this
Yeah.
Jacqueline. Who's the one?
Oh, yeah, terus.
Jacqueline. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 here.
I think I want to have a wife that have a lot of dream because I have a lot of dream and we can achieve the dream together.
I think.
That's nice.
And oh yeah, the third one is I want to have a wife that like traveling because I'm very like traveling too.
Oh, traveling.
Who's like
Wow.
traveling?
Okay. And you can get me on my Instagram here. Maybe you can say that.
Yeah.
Lutfi titik Ade.
Okay, thank you, bro.